This question asks us to draw the structure given the IUPAC name. The first thing that I'll focus on is the parent hydrocarbon for this molecule. I see the syllable NON, which means 9. There are 9 carbons in the parent hydrocarbon. Let's start by drawing in those 9 carbons. 6, 7, 8, 9 carbons in the hydrocarbon. My suffix ene means I have an alkene starting on carbon number 1. So between carbon number 1 and 2, I can draw an alkene. On carbon number 3, I have an isopropyl group. I'm going to sketch that in, but I'm not going to draw the bond yet. I'll tell you why in a second. And on carbon number 6, I have a methyl group. So on the methyl, on carbon number 6, I'll add the place for the methyl group, but I'm not going to add the bond. These carbons, carbon 3 and carbon 6, will be stereocenters in the final product, so we need to include the correct wedge dash notation in order to make them both our stereocenters. So we can look at the priorities for the groups on carbon number 3. The priority number 1 would be the alkene group, priority number 2 would be the isopropyl group, and priority number 3 would be the rest of the carbon chain. If we assume the hydrogen is on a dash, the number 4 group is on a dash, then as I draw the circle from 1 to 2 to 3, that will be a counterclockwise circle, which means this will be an S stereocenter if the hydrogen is on a dash. I know I need it to be an R stereocenter, so I need the hydrogen to be on a wedge, which means the isopropyl group will then be on a dash. If I do the same thing with the carbon 6 stereocenter, if I assign the priorities, I've already used numbers, so the highest priority would be the rest of the carbon chain. I'm going to call that priority A. And then the 3 carbon part would be the second priority, the methyl group would be the third priority, and again, the hydrogen would be the fourth priority. If I assume that hydrogen is on a dash, then my circle from A to B to C is a counterclockwise circle. If the hydrogen is on a dash, that would mean this is an S stereocenter. I need it to be an R stereocenter though, so I need the hydrogen to be on a wedge, which means I need the methyl group to be on a dash. This then is the structure of R, 3-isopropyl, 6-methyl, known 1-ene.